What's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. The My Hair Repair Serum has proven ingredients that you can find in medical and clinical journals to maintain a healthy scalp and strong, healthy follicles so you can grow hair that you're proud of. Now, when you start off using the My Hair Repair Serum, one of the things that I would recommend is doing it at night. Apply this at night. You can do it in the morning, because I've done it in the morning, but apply it at night. Why? Because that's when your body's rebuilding itself. That's where your scalp, your skin is repairing and rejuvenating and renewing itself. So that is optimal time. But again, if you do it in the morning, I've done it, it won't hurt. But again, at night, it works. So what you want to do, it's a dropper. You want to apply it, this dropper, onto the affected area. My affected area mainly was my crown. So I applied it on my affected area like this. Make sure the dropper is touching the scalp. You want to make sure you get the serum on top of the scalp. All right. Apply it. I applied it about, for my hair length, about 5 times. If your hair, if you add wavelength, then 2 drops on the affected area would work. I mean, if you want to do a little bit more, you can do a little bit more, but 2 drops for a start will work. And you're going to apply those drops on all the affected areas. So if you're thinning here, then you're going to apply a drop here, a drop here, a drop here. No matter where you're thinning, you're going to apply the drops on the scalp. Make sure it's on the scalp. Once you've applied it, then what you're going to do is you're going to press it onto your scalp. The serum, you're going to press it down onto your scalp. Then you want to massage it. Do not rub your scalp. Do not scratch your scalp. You're going to cause irritation and you're going to promote more hair loss that way as well. So what you want to do is massage it. Wax on like this. Wax on. You get it? Boom. You just moving your scalp. Moving your scalp, just moving your scalp, moving your scalp. I'm just moving my scalp. You know what I mean? You do whatever you want to do, whatever works for you, okay? Not only will it help with making sure that the serum can penetrate the scalp better, but it's also going to promote growth by way of increasing blood flow. I'm sure none of us been massaging our scalp. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, hey, we ain't got a scalp massage since we was little bitty old babies. You know what I'm saying? Sitting on our mama's chest. So you want to just get in the scalp and massage it. You do that for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Bada boom, bada bang. That's pretty much all you need to do. Now, you also can apply it around your entire scalp if you want to. That won't hurt neither. If you want to just do the entire scalp, you can be proactive. That'll work. I've done that as well. If you're trying to figure out, okay, where can I buy the My Hair Repair Serum? You can click the link in the bio. You can also grab the My Hair Repair system where it comes with the shampoo and the My Conditioner. And you can get the My Hair Repair Serum all in the system. In the bio, click the link, you'll get the My Hair Repair Serum. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to make sure you got your notification on so you do not miss our post. Okay? This is your boy B, the beard and hair science guy, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. As always, we out.